be outside.
That's hard.
It's the long distance detention and you don't listen. I try to tell your ass to relax, but you be tripping. Whenever I'm back home, all the problems they go missing. Underwater they be fishing. Said I love you and I.
Welcome back. We back with another blind day. Y'all see what's going on with you. Let's see. Alright, we're gonna start off. Y'all should introduce yourself. I can see our names.
Ladies go first.
Okay. Hi, I'm Tennille. Yeah.
What's good? My name's CJ. You feel me?
How y'all feel though? How y'all feel? Y'all nervous? How y'all feel?
I'm good. A little nervous, but excited.
I'm good, bro. Straight confidence. Confidence is key.
That's what I like. That's what I like. Like shit.
Okay.
I'm gonna start off with asking like maybe like 10 slight little questions for y'all. Alright.
Okay.
First off, I'm gonna say, what's y'all type?
I'll go first. I don't really have a type. I like who I like.
Type shit. See me, you know what I'm saying? I don't really have a type either, you feel me? Basically what she said, I like what I like. But I prefer, well, I don't prefer, I like light skins and dark skins, you feel me? Love my black girls.
For sure.
Okay.
What's y'all turn ons? Like what get y'all like what make y'all like the person? Like what's something that like get y'all going?
I like consistency, a good communicator, someone who like gives compliments, someone who understands my jokes, who's funny, and yeah.
For sure. Yeah, you know, good communicator, you know what I'm saying? Got a vibe with me, good personality. Can't be no lame, feel me? What's the term? I like, hold on. I like, you know what I'm saying, good looking lips. That's the turn on, I don't know. Feel me? Shit like that.
I know what's the turn off? Like make you like just you don't like the person just you ain't fucking with it. Like, what's the turn off?
I don't really like all that ghetto shit, you feel me? Like, I don't like a girl being too in the streets, shit like that, party every weekend, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? That shit really turn off sometimes. Most of the time.
I don't like inconsistency. I don't like somebody who's friendly either. I think that's it, yeah.
Alright, what's your ideal first date?
You can go first.
I don't know. I like to try new things, so maybe just like going out to eat or something. Yeah.
Facts.
Yeah.
Going out to eat or like going to like, I say like a little mini zoo or something, or amusement park. Something like that.
The movies are bowling too.
Movies.
Yeah.
Laser tag, shit like that.
Yeah.
Okay. When you first approach a girl or a boy, whoever want to go first, like what's the first thing you look at? You look at their shoes, their face, their teeth, their hair, like clothes, whatever.
Me, I look at the lips. Off no weird shit. But yeah, I look at the lips. I look at their face. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The face gotta be valid.
I look at their outfit and their face. Yeah.
Type shit.
Is there anything else y'all want to ask that I didn't get to while the blindfold's on?
No.
No,
I don't think so.
Straight.
Alright, bet. So now y'all gonna rate each other off y'all voice. Like what you like off the voice, how they sound.
Okay. I'll go first. Wait, say something?
Shoot, what you want me to say?
Okay, that's straight. A 7.
Type shit.
Your turn.
Say something.
Hey.
Hey, I'm funny, bro.
I give it like a cool 7 too.
Okay.
Alright, now off each other's voices, what y'all think y'all like? Fuck. Cut that shit out. Off each other's voices, you think each other light skin, brown skin, dark skin, white, Chinese, Asian, what?
Indian.
Yeah.
India's crazy, but nah, I think she like brown skin leading to the light skin side.
I can't think so. Probably brown skin, yeah. Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna do a drum roll, right?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then y'all gonna take the blindfolds off.
Okay.
All right, everybody in the car, hit something.
Oh, wait.
Drum roll. 3, 2, 1, turn.
Wait, take it off?
Yeah, take it off. I'm turning.
So what's up? Feel me?
How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling?
Feeling good. You know what I'm saying?
Cool.
I usually wear glasses, but I ain't wearing glasses. Hold on.
So you can't see?
I can see. I can see. This shit.
Now that the blindfolds is off, y'all gonna rate each other off of looks. Who wants to go first?
I'll go first. 8.
8.
Mm-hmm.
That's valid. I'll give you an 8.5.
Okay.
Now that the blindfolds off, I'm gonna give y'all a little, like, a minute
Okay.
or however long it is. Y'all can ask anything, talk, ask whatever, school, like about school, whatever, anything. Go ahead.
Okay. How old are you?
18.
Me too.
For real.
Mm-hmm. What's your major?
Undecided. It was electrical engineering, but that shit pissed me off.
How come?
Because them niggas talking about some non-math. I'm not doing non-math. That shit dead.
What math?
9 math.
Oh.
Like non-math classes.
Oh.
Yeah. And 2 extra years of college.
Oh.
Not doing it. What's your major?
Nursing.
You like it?
Well, I don't apply to the program until junior year, so it's just like prereqs right now.
Oh, word. What made you come to ODU?
Cause my friends were coming here. At first, I was going to Radford, fully committed, first decision, but my friends were coming here, and I didn't know anybody at Radford, so I came here.
I heard Radford's just full of trees, bro. Is it?
No, my brother graduated from there. It's in the mountains.
Oh, yeah.
It's just a super white school. That's all.
Type shit. It'd be like that.
Why don't you like partying? Like, what's wrong with partying?
Not like every weekend, like every day. Nah, that's like OD. You feel me? I mean, I party myself, but not every like weekend. Like every function, I don't go to. Like I'll party, I'll go in there and chill. I don't be doing that. I just be chilling. You know what I'm saying, with my friends and shit, watching them get turned.
I be turned every weekend. So.
Word.
I be outside.
That's hard.
Hello? Where we at? Oh, you want to know where I'm at? We outside!
Yes, every weekend.
Yep. Let me a little frat party.
Oh, yeah. I'll be at the frat party though, but every weekend getting like OD drunk. Yeah, like when you just like throwing up and shit. Yeah, that's OD.
Yeah. Oh, definitely. Yeah, I don't do that though.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Y'all good?
Good. I'm straight.
All right, bet. Now we get to the second part.
Okay.
It's just gonna be more questions, but maybe a bit more spicy, just a little seasoning to it.
Okay.
All right.
Does body count matter when you trying to deal with somebody?
Nope. Just don't have 60 trying to fuck with me.
Yeah, I don't think it matters now. Okay. Want to ask the last question again?
What was it? Oh, do sex play a big part in your relationship?
No. Not to me, no.
It plays a part. You feel me? I feel like it's not like OD needed, but it's cool to have it because
Right.
it gets you more connected. I feel like.
Right.
So how often do you always say?
Throughout the week, probably like 3 at least. 3 times.
At minimum?
Yeah, out the week.
For me, maybe like, no, that's valid. That's valid.
You gotta think about it. 7 days, 3.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ain't nothing for me. But have either one of y'all ever cheated before?
Nope.
Mm-mm.
When the last? Huh?
Been cheated on though. So.
Same. Did you go back to the person after
Nope.
they cheated? I did.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
It'd be like, hey, you live and you learn.
Right.
Yeah, that's true. So when the last time y'all been in a relationship?
You go first.
Before school started.
Last year, March. Well, we broke up in March. Was it March or April? One of them. Before I graduated though. Before I graduated high school.
So with y'all last relationships, they both ended off cheating, or like what happened?
Nah.
No.
It was some BS.
Mine was dumb. We were breaking up because we were going to college, but we go to the same school. So yeah.
Mine was just childish shit. Childish high school shit. That shit in the past though.
Alright, what's the weirdest place y'all had sex?
I ain't really had sex nowhere weird. Just in the car.
One time, yeah, in the car, in the movie theater parking lot, with no tent, I could say. Or like on a bunk bed.
On a what?
Bunk
Oh,
bed. And somebody was on top.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Do y'all believe in being loyal during the talking stage? That's a question that everybody be asking.
Yeah, if we both on the same type timing, duh.
Yeah. I feel like, yeah, y'all gotta be on the same type time. Y'all gotta communicate. You feel me?
That y'all are exclusive to each other.
Yeah.
Type thing. But if not,
If not, then I
Do
feel
your
like,
thing.
you know what I'm saying? If you just talking just to have a little vibe or something like that, you know?
yeah.
Alright, bet. So now y'all ready for truth or dare?
Yeah, I'm locked.
Alright, rock, paper, scissors, who's gonna go first?
Out of 3 or just 1?
That's up to y'all.
It don't matter.
I don't want.
So I gotta go first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Y'all got your own truth or dare, or y'all want me to come up with it?
You can come up
Come on
with
with
it.
it.
For sure. Alright, truth or dare?
True.
Truth?
Mhm.
Truth. You smashing the pack.
Smash.
Truth or dare?
I'm gonna hit the dare.
The dare?
The dare.
The dare?
I'm blocked.
Shit.
One time.
Type shit. She might as well whisper something dirty in her ear. Might as well.
She ready for it. Gotta think about what I was gonna say. Hold on.
I used to trying to think.
I'm gonna start. I'm not even gonna say OD. I'm not gonna OD. Hold on. Hold on, bro. Hold on.
Will got it here.
I don't even know if this ain't like that, but fuck it.
It's straight. Do I have to respond to that? Or
I mean, is it something to respond to?
Sure, yeah.
For sure. Truth or dare?
I'll do a dare.
Kiss your blind date or the cheek? Truth or dare?
Truth.
True. All right. Give your blind date an honest, the truth, to be honest.
I feel like she cool people. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I can vibe with her. You know what I'm saying? She cool. She pretty and shit. Kind of cute.
Thanks.
For sure. All right, truth or dare?
I'll do a truth too.
Are you a giver or receiver?
Receiver. Yeah.
Yes. All right, I'm gonna ask each of y'all like one more. Then we're gonna get out and let y'all talk for like 2 minutes.
Okay.
Bet.
All right, truth or dare?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One time.
Kiss or grab anybody for your blind date?
It ain't me. Ain't me.
My nigga.
All right, one more. Truth or dare?
I'll do a truth.
Truth. On a scale of 1 to 10, be completely honest. Rate your sex game.
Maybe like 8.
Okay. All right, bet. Now we're gonna get out. Let y'all talk about what y'all want to talk about. Then when I come back, we probably gonna wrap it up.
Alright, bet.
Talk about whatever, ask anything. Alright. My ear's not in it.
You gonna watch the video, nigga.
Exactly.
I'm weak.
What's your name?
CJ.
Oh, I'm Tennille.
That's cool. Where you from?
I'm from Richmond, but I moved to Ashland in 2nd grade, so, and then been there ever since, so I guess I'm from Ashland.
Type shit. It's kind of like that for me. Well, I was born in Jamaica. Feel me? I moved from Jamaica to Florida when I was like 2 or 3.
Oh, cool.
And then I kept on going back and forth. And then now I live in, then I moved to Virginia throughout high school. I mean, from 7th grade till I graduated. Now I live in North Carolina.
Oh my God.
So
You've been everywhere.
Type shit. I don't really know what to say.
I know, right?
You know what I'm saying?
So why did you and your ex break up? What happened?
It was just some childish ass shit. But like, I can't even like explain it. That shit just childish.
Who broke up with who?
I broke up with her. Well, I don't really remember. I think I broke up with her. I think I did. But one of us broke up with each other. Just never talked ever since.
Oh. Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, mine's a little bit different since my ex goes here, but
Why y'all break up?
because we were going to college.
Oh yeah, you did say that. My fault.
Yeah.
My fault. Damn.
Just dumb. Yeah.
Yeah, that was. I feel you.
The sun is so bright in my
It feels
face.
good as hell outside.
I know it's hot today.
I know,
Had to pull the shorts out today.
I feel you. Definitely gotta get your Instagram number.
Okay.
Oh, shit. Alright, secured the bag.
Exchange the socials per.
Money. Tight shit. Alright. So how was the talk? What y'all talk about?
Nothing.
Nothing
It
really.
was just cool though. This is cool though.
Yeah.
Cool little.
Y'all vibing though?
Yeah, it's cool. Straight.
Alright, bet. So, off y'all experience, I'm gonna wrap it up right here because this was a W in my opinion. So I don't even gotta be that OD long for a bit.
WWW.
Off the experience, rate y'all blind date experience.
It was fun.
She was cool, you feel me? I rated like a 9. You know what I'm saying? 9.5 in the area.
9. Thought I had to sneeze. Yeah.
Alright, bet. I got like 2 more questions.
Okay.
Where'd y'all go on a second date besides the car? Like outside of me?
Yeah.
Maybe after getting to know each other a little bit more.
Touch it.
Yeah.
I feel
That's
like,
my answer.
I feel like we can go like bowling or some shit. Bowling.
Okay.
I got to bowling.
Alright, now. Rate me. Not like that. Rate like.
Oh,
The
YouTuber-wise?
experience?
Yeah, like me. Like, did I, am I, this a W? This a
10
W?
out of 10, nigga.
Yeah.
Fuck this nigga.
It was cool.
It's a W?
W, man.
For sure. Alright,
Like
bet.
and subscribe.
Make sure like, comment, subscribe. Y'all shout y'all grandma or whatever?
Yes. Follow me on everything at Tennille.ee, TANILLE.ee.
You know what I'm saying? Follow me on the gram, you feel me? CJ the Kid. I don't know if y'all can see that. CJ the Kid, you feel me? And that's it. I don't really use Snapchat or none of that other bullshit.
That's a W. We out.